Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today let's analyze Apple. It's been a while since we don't study it and we have to update a few key points on it right now because Apple is doing a pullback to its previous support area. It is trying to react, so now what? Will it keep going up or will Apple crash a little bit more below this price level? We're going to analyze this. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here because I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on Tesla, Apple, NVIDIA, NEO, and many other stocks. In addition, consider subscribing the Market Dive daily newsletter. Every single day, I keep you guys updated on many stocks, including SPY, QQQ, Tesla, and I share some insights on other stocks as well. Like here in this one, I describe it Veil. Veil before the breakout. Let's see where Veil is right now today. Today is flying quite high, going up only 7%. So we talked about Veil when it was down here. So before the breakout. So I think you guys are going to enjoy my services. I'm always constantly analyzing dozens of stocks. These were just a few examples of what you're going to find on the Market Dive daily newsletter. Now, back to Apple. Yes, Apple is doing a pullback and the timing could not be better because we filled the previous gap at 173 up here. So gap filled, great. And right now we are doing a correction. This correction is supposed to hit the previous support level, which is the 21 EMA in the daily chart and the 166, this red line over here. Why? Because this red line was a previous support level, was a previous resistance level here on May 4 and multiple times on August 3, August 4, August 5, August 8 over here. So this is a very important key point for Apple right now, and by holding at this support level, Apple will have decent chances of recovering, of resuming the bull trend because we are still in a bull trend. As far as I know, Apple is doing this, right? It's doing higher highs, higher lows. Right now, it is doing a pullback right now, but we don't see a lower low on Apple or a lower high right here, right now. We don't see bearish structure going on. It's just a pullback in a bull trend. But Nathan, what if Apple corrects a little bit more? What if this reaction fails? Because right now it is doing a bullish reaction. This is good. This is quite bullish. But what if we lose this dual support level made by the EMA, made by the 166? If we lose it, I have a theory. If you look in the weekly chart, Apple did a phenomenal movement. Since June 13 to August 15, for 2 months straight, Apple went up very, very strongly. And it is interesting because we hit this purple trend line, which is a resistance level for Apple, which did work 1, 2, and right now 3 times. And last week, Apple did a gravestone doji candlestick pattern. This is the name of this pattern over here. Gravestone doji is when you see a candlestick with no body and the close is at the same price level where it opened, and we see a long shadow above the candlestick's body, or the candlestick's non-existent body over here. So it did a gravestone doji candlestick pattern, which works as a bearish reversal pattern. Most of the time, I think it's 51% of the time it works as a bearish reversal. It's nearly random, but since we hit a crystal clear resistance level in the weekly chart after a 2-month rally over here, I do believe this is a bearish indicator with more than 51% chances of dropping. And this week is confirming our thesis. This week, we are starting to correct. And in the weekly chart, we have more room for a pullback because as far as I know, if we use Fibonacci over here, Fibonacci, in order for Apple to retest the 38.2% retracement, the first retracement, which is a little bit above the EMA right now at this moment, the EMA will keep going up a little bit more as the weekly chart moves over here, the EMA will go a little bit higher, but right now we are above the EMA, and the 38.2% retracement is at 158. So we still have more $9 to drop, considering this is a normal correction in the weekly chart. Okay, so I would not be surprised to see Apple trading near this support level in the next few weeks right now. In fact, this is quite plausible. But I do agree that if Apple holds at this support level, because right now it's trying to do a bullish candlestick, if it confirms a bullish reaction tomorrow, for instance, I do believe we can go up a little bit more. However, if in any moment in the near future we lose the 166, I do believe we're gonna do the pullback in the weekly chart to the 38.2% retracement to the 157. All right, so this is how I see the situation right now. Any reaction over here, good. Maybe the bull trend will persist a little bit longer, but if we lose the 166, that's the yellow sign we should pay attention to. It's not necessarily a red sign, because in the weekly chart, the trend is still clearly bullish, right? It's very bullish. Any pullback to the EMA over here, to the 157, to the first retracement is totally expected. However, we should keep our eyes open at the 166 right now in the short term, because this is the key point for Apple right now. It's the most important support level for Apple. And only by losing this support area, I do believe Apple will reverse the bull trend in the midterm right now, at least in the daily chart. All right. So, but so far so good. So far we are above the 166. So the bullish momentum is still valid. In theory, any bullish reaction in this support level would be a buy opportunity. However, we should pay extra attention to this key support level, because if we lose it, I do believe we're gonna drop way more than this. But right now, the trend is still bullish in the daily chart. I think it is quite interesting the moment we have right now with SPY trying to stabilize here right now in a support area. QQQ is also near its support area over here. So I think it is looking quite good, but we should pay attention to the 166, which is the most important support level for Apple right now. I will keep you guys updated on this. So seriously, consider subscribing this channel if you are still watching this video. I mean, are you still here, right? So seriously, consider subscribing this channel. Subscribe the Market Dive Daily Newsletter for premium analysis. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.